Hello and welcome to the Ramdal Events tutorial series. In this video we'll see how to add and manage persistent listeners directly from code. Let's get started. Normally persistent listeners are managed from the inspector, but Ramdal Events also let you create and manage them directly from code. To do that you'll need the ramdalgames.event.editor namespace and all the APIs available through the Ramdal Event Editor tools. Since persistent listeners modifies serialized data, these APIs are editor only. The first API is add persistent listener. It requires the Ramdal event, the owner object, and the method delegate to bind. You can also optionally provide the run mode, nodes, and default parameter values, just like in the inspector. To remove listeners you have two options. Remove persistent listener, which remove a single listener by index, and remove persistent listeners, and this removes multiple listeners using a list of indices. To get those indices, Ramdal events provide the persistent listeners index APIs, and these are available directly on the Ramdal event itself and can also be used at runtime. We can call getPersistentListenerIndex, that's return the first match on -1 if none found. GetPersistentListenerIndices return all matches, and GetPersistentListenerIndices non-unlock does the same but writes into a provided list of int to avoid allocation. You can filter using the method name, method ID, target, parameter count, run mode, or delegate, and you should always provide one at least to get a result. In the next video we'll see how to add support for virtually any parameter type without writing a single line of code. See you in the next one.